Hello, hello. Let's go, yaar. I'm done with breakfast now. Let's see, we'll reach early or not. I'll try to reach early. I'm not sure about it. It's 9:39 already. Let's see when I'm reaching. I think I will reach by 10:40. Most probably. If traffic is really not there, I will reach by 10:30. But I am not reaching by 10:15. That's for sure. Some hair is there on my mouth. Wait. I will take this out. What the hell? Now it's gone. I am feeling good now. I don't know why, but I am feeling very good. Let's see. Before I used to travel from here, this place, like this bus station. This one I was talking about, this one. Traffic is not there. Let's see. I'm reaching early or not. Is it recording? Yep. I don't want to go behind bus. What the hell? Now traffic is there. See, if I will reach to where? To Shantinagar by 9:50. I will reach then. I will reach by 10:30. It's race against time. I'm trying my best, yeah. Like trying to speak English. I know I can speak, but I have some fear, so I'm trying to remove it. So please do like and subscribe. Because see, wherever you will go, if you are in IT field, you need to face that kind of people who just speak English, and you need to speak as well. Otherwise, you will be behind. Oh my God, lots of ad. What is this YouTube? This is not good, showing a lot of app rather than showing content, it is showing ad only. So either you will make ad tube, otherwise you remove YouTube things. This is not YouTube, this is additive. What the hell? I have to cross. Yep. Oh my god, I forgotten my bag over there. My bag is there only. My bag is there only. I forgotten my bag. I have to go and take my bag. How can someone forget her bag? Laptop is there, yaar. If I will not reach early, my laptop will go somewhere. Somebody will take it. Wait. I need to cross. That's why I thought I am feeling, I've forgotten my bag. I need to go. I need to reach early. Somebody will take it. Forgotten my bag. How can someone forget his or her bag? It's a panic situation. Not reaching on time, but let me collect my bag, yaar. How I can forget my bag, yaar. Literally, it's a city sit. Let's go from here. Here. never lose my laptop. It's company laptop, you know. They will take 2.5 lakh then. That's why I thought, why I'm feeling like less weight. Now I got to know. Forgot my bag over there. That's let me see my bag will be there or not. My bag is there only. I thought somebody will take it. Yeah, I have laptop. I thought I will lose my laptop and bags. Now let's go. Let's see. I will message in team like I will little late. ICCC. Okay, I saved my bag. Now I can go to office. Oh my god. I thought somebody will take it. Now I have my bag with me. Oh my god, what the hell? It is very costly laptop, you know, which company has given. If I will lose it, no, they will charge at least 2 lakh rupees, at least. It is Dell Latitude 5430. Made especially for like companies. No, you can also buy it, but still. I saved my ass. Oh my god. How fast I came back, you saw, no? Now I can go to office. I already messaged like I will be little late, so no worry now. Because although I need to apply for regularization, so it's okay, it's fine. If I will reach little late, at least I saved my bag. How someone can forget his bag? I know. That's why I was feeling lightweight. let's go, let's go, let's go. Now it's on. Now I can go back again. It's 9:54. I'm still here only because I've forgotten my bag in that shop. What the hell? Second time I'm going on this way. This seems funny, you know, but when I lost my bag, I thought like I forgot it over there. Then, you know, I was shivering literally. Yeah, what the hell was that? I like this car, yeah. No, you can drive anywhere. G-Wagon. I think Thar is having that functionality, you know, like it can go round on same place. Like 4 gear or something is there. That functionality is there in Thar as well. Or G-Wagon. Fox G-Wagon. See? That's why I thought, like, why I'm feeling lightweight. Finally I saved my ass, yaar. Literally, I was getting afraid. Look at these bridges, you know, how long it is, you know, these pillars and all, how they built it. If you are wondering about how they built this, just wonder about that Giza pyramid, how they built on that time. Right now we are having cranes and all heavy machinery, but that time we are not having that kind of thing, guys. traffic is not there. But now, hell, I can't reach by 10-15. It's impossible. In 15 minutes, 8 kilometers, 8 or 10 kilometers, it's not possible here. Because I will find a lot of traffic over there. Lots of traffic light is also there. That day at night, 3 o'clock around, I took 16 or 17 minutes to reach from there to here. Because at 3 o'clock, you can't find that much traffic. I came back to same place where I take round from. Here I was standing here somewhere, and I remember. Yeah, looking at those people. Open it, yaar, open it. How much time it will take to reach now? Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday. Day after tomorrow is Sunday. I will enjoy. I will complete my Bandidos series, until they are not calling me at office, because I don't want to go. I want to enjoy my Saturday, Sunday. Oh hell yeah. No, it's opening. Let's see I will reach on time or not. I will go from this side only. I will not take the long route because I am already getting late. Although nowadays I am going from this side only. I think my bike needs something. Something means need to change the petrol or something. I don't know when they are scheduling servicing again. The second servicing is due. Little traffic is there, but not too much. No, lot of people applied like holiday today. Holiday, not holiday, leave. I also thought I will have to apply, but I don't have leave. I'm intern still. They haven't converted yet. I will convert with soon. Until unless I'm learning, I'm doing whatever I can do. You know. Let's get out from there. Oh my god, no, I need to wait here. I can't cross it. So let's see where I am reaching. Oh my god. That time I got afraid like hell. Like I need to pay 2 lakh, you know. Because I can report to police, but police is very busy in something else here. They will not listen to you if you are from north side as well. Because I will not explain. If I will explain, still they will not listen to me. Police is not that good here. Some girl is knocking that door, that car door. I think that is child. Oh my god, what kind of car is it? Looking very dumb. Right now I am listening to a documentary. In that documentary, that person is saying people is getting high on spice. On spice, which I am eating daily. They are getting high, literally. What the hell, yaar? I think they mean something else, not that spice. Some kind of drug it is. You know. It's 10:09 already. I will reach by 10:30 most probably. I'm still not sure about it. But I'm trying to reach early because a lot of people will be absent today, so they can target me. Oh, it is opening. Oh my god, I don't want to go behind that truck, that garbage truck. I need to cross that truck, yaar. From here I can go. This side I can go, it will be good. If I will reach late, it's okay, fine. But not behind that truck. I need to go on that highway. If I will take down, no, I will go down. It will take a lot of time to reach that side. And they close the door. I need to go right here, this side. That's why they built a new road to go that side. I don't know why they closed that. I need to go via Vidhan Soda. From here onwards, I need to go via Vidhan Soda. If I will go take this road. I need to stop here. How much time it is? 39 minutes it took already. That's because I forgotten my bag over there, that's why. Otherwise I can reach. Because there is not a lot of traffic today. So I gone back and I collected my bag, then I came back. That's why it took time. Oh my god, it's looking like heart, no? Look, that light, traffic light, red. It is heart shaped light, no? They made it purposely or something happened with this light? I think they made it purposely. Let's see when it will go green, how it will look. Let's see. If they made it purposely, then they will. But heart is red only, no? So why they will touch green? Leave it. I think they made it purposely. This one, looking like heart. It's looking to me only or you as well. Write below in comment section, yaar. This is MG Road. You know, world famous MG Road in Bangalore. Mahatma Gandhi Road. Oh, lot of ambulance is coming. I'm feeling sleepy now. Same here, I am feeling sleepy always. Don't know why. What's the reason? But I am feeling sleepy. So what can I do? Oh, let us go. No. Let's see if they are allowing us to pass or not. Hey, look at this Golu Wolu. How cute he is, na? Look at him. He's so cute. He was just turning my camera. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm already getting late. I think I can cross this. Yappa. See, they are placing emoji. Happy emoji. "10:22 I reached here. So by 10:25 I will reach to office." Probably. Or maybe 10:30. 10:28 I will reach to office, most probably. Let me remove my